Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with my Christmas living room tour. So if you want to see how I put everything together from the hauls that I did before, just keep on watching. Okay, let me take you in and start with the coffee table first. So on the coffee table, I went ahead and added this little faux fur throw. And this is really intended to be a bedside mat, but when I bought it, I did not buy it for that purpose. I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. And adding it to the coffee table this time of year during the winter months helps to give it that little extra cozy feel. I also kept my tray here. This beautiful one with the Greek key pattern. I've had it on this table for almost a year and I love it so much. I haven't really changed the tray, just the little vignettes that I make inside of it. In this vignette, you'll see that I added the beautiful burgundy reindeer collection that I got from HomeSense that you guys really loved in the haul. And I had asked at one point whether or not I was supposed to add some glam to it, a little glitz, a little glam. And it was about a 50-50 split. Some people said add something to the neck. Some people said leave it alone. I left it alone. But what I did was I added these 3 Christmas trees that have a little more texture. The one in the center there is beaded, like it has pearls all the way down. And then the 2 on the ends already have all the glitter and the glam, so I felt fine with leaving the reindeer the way they are. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, if you notice these 2 chairs, I had to move them to the side only because I had to use the space to put the Christmas tree. This is where I wanted the Christmas tree to go, and that's where the chairs are usually sitting. So I just moved it to the opposite side of the room, and after Christmas and the tree comes down, I will just move these chairs back to their original spots. So what I wanted to do with these chairs, I just wanted to add pillows to them. I think I already have enough color in here between the reindeer, the pillows, and the Christmas tree. So I just kept these really neutral, keeping the same color pillows in them with a touch of glam from all the rhinestones and all the beautiful beadwork that's on these pillows. And these are pillows that I picked up last year in Atlanta from Home Goods. They're actually just pillow covers, but they are absolutely beautiful. Let's move over to the end tables to see what I've added there. So I kept the lamp as is. I've always had these lamps here. I do not change them out. And I added this beautiful reindeer. You would have seen this reindeer in my past Christmas videos. I've had it for about 3 years. And then I added this beautiful little decor piece that I put together. And these items came from the William Ashley warehouse sale that I attended in November. I also did a haul showing you these items. I will include a link in the description box below or a card above so you can check out that haul if you're interested in seeing more of these pieces that I put together. Now guys, these are actually 3 separate pieces, okay? So there's the big star, the little one, and then this is actually a little star votive candle holder. And I've just put all 3 together because I like that effect that it gives. And inside of it, I have this little non-flammable candle that I picked up as a set from Michael's about 2 weeks ago. If we move over to the other side table, it is the exact same setup as the first. Now let's go over and take a look at what I have on the couch. Now guys, some of you may know that I got this couch this summer. It was a private sale. I am truly enjoying it. I actually bought this couch at a very reasonable price from a home stager. Remember I dropped those nuggets for you on the video that I did with how to shop on Facebook Marketplace? This beautiful piece I picked up, like I said, this summer from a home stager, and I am totally enjoying it. So on this couch, I have these beautiful pillows. Again, it has that Greek key pattern that matches my tray. And that was not necessarily intentional. I saw the pillows. They were absolutely beautiful. Picked them up from HomeSense. And when I got home, I looked at the tray and I went, wow, everything is working perfectly together. So I have these pillows on both sides off the couch. And then in the center here, I have this beautiful throw cascading all the way to the floor. And then I just added this little accent pillow that I also picked up at the William Ashley warehouse sale in November. In years past, I was never interested in decorating for Christmas using any of this burgundy colors or reds or maroons or jewel tones. I just kept it really, really light with my gold, silver tones. I used white, but never any color as such. But this year, my whole inspiration for this year's decor came from finding these beautiful reindeer at HomeSense. And after I found them, I started looking for other pieces that would work well with it. And this is how these pillows came into play. And I'm absolutely enjoying all this color that I've incorporated with the reds this year. Different tones, different styles, reds, burgundies. They are absolutely beautiful. Above the couch, I have this beautiful wall mirror. And all I did for that was I used an acrylic wreath hanger to hang this beautiful faux fur wreath, and incorporated some of the burgundy colors by putting some ornaments on them to tie everything in. Now guys, I'm going to take you over the tree just briefly to look at it because I already have a video on this tree reveal for you. So if you haven't yet seen it, I'll insert a card as well as a link below in the description box. That way you can check out the reveal of this tree and how I put everything together. But it is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm really enjoying, like I said earlier, I'm really enjoying adding the colors this year. If you have been with me for any length of time, you would realize that where the tree is where I usually have these two armchairs. But in an effort to accommodate the tree this year, I moved the armchairs to the opposite side of the room. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know which part or what thing in this Christmas living room tour is your favorite. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I really do appreciate you stopping by to check me out, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher. ChelomieC. Bye-bye.